Welcome! Today I will tell you about how to grow on TikTok. Here are the main topics we will talk about in this video. How to create an attractive profile. How to post often. How to be sure your thumbnails are appealing. Why make popular duet videos. How to interact with your audience. Let's get started. This video explains the main points of how one can grow on TikTok. It includes all kinds of effective tips and tricks like how one can attract people towards their channel by making appealing thumbnails and creative content. It also educates the views how creators can make connection with their viewers. Keep watching to know more. Number 1. Attractive profile. Growing on TikTok is all about attracting people. We all have a favorite TikTok account that we love to check out. And why so? Because we are just fascinated about that account. Maybe because of the content or the profile picture, or even just the theme and the vibe that we get from it. All I want to say is set a good profile picture. Edit in some attractive description. Be specific about what you want to say, and aim to be as distinctive as possible. Number 2, post often. Post as much as you can, my friend. The more you post, the more chances you have of getting your video viral. One secret tip is to try and go with the flow. See what's popular on the internet these days. You may even try doing viral challenges by adding a little twist of your own for uniqueness. Did you know that accounts that follow trends have a higher probability of prospering than those that don't? Number 3, be sure your thumbnails are appealing. We all know that when visitors browse through your content, the first thing they see is the video thumbnail. So, what do we need to do? Yes, right answer, my friend. You need to make the thumbnail as exciting and appealing as you can. This will definitely allure people to check out your account in detail. Number 4, popular duet videos. We all spend hours watching popular videos and even videos related to those popular videos, don't we? I know you all are nodding your heads right now. On TikTok, a duet is when you take a video that is synced with some other person's video. My topmost favorite trick to expanding my TikTok fame is performing a duet to an already viral TikTok video. I have personally noticed that people enjoy watching people's reactions to viral videos. Number 5, interact with your audience. The people who are on your follower list are there because they admire you. They want to know about you and stick to your channel. But guess what? If you don't interact with them, they are going to run away. And you certainly don't want that, do you? You would need to interact with your TikTok fam. And I believe that the best way to do so is by coming live. TikTok Live is available to accounts that have more than 1,000 followers. If you are in that category, it's great news for you. I would suggest that you go live on a daily basis as they allow you to truly connect with your TikTok community. You can even have a back and forth conversation with viewers, which is certainly not possible with regular videos. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and press the bell notification.